welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here for all you ladies over 50 who don't want to dress like everyone else. You want to be bold, you want to stand out, you love colour, and you might be a little bit afraid to wear colour, but I'm here to show you you can wear it, you can rock it, and you will feel amazing. I haven't done a little style series in a while, and I decided with this little skirt, I actually started doing some short videos, and I thought I would do about 4 looks, and I've actually come up with 5 different looks for this skirt. Let's turn it into a proper video so you ladies who enjoy watching my vlogs can get a chance to see how I take this little skirt from day to day, make it look different, make it look from office wear appropriate to night out appropriate to daytime casual to coastal chic. It's all coming up in this video, and I hope you'll watch. But let's show you how I am wearing it to the office today. So I went with knee boots today and matching tights, because that is the secret to making your legs look a little bit more longer. The burgundy boots and tights just really go well with all the colours in this little Joe Brown's skirt. It's a mini skirt, and yes, while it normally would be a bit short, it's absolutely fine when you're wearing coloured tights with it. That's a promise. If I had wore heel tights with this, it would have looked a little bit dated looking. Thick tights, and right away it looks appropriate. I brought the green together. Today is my clueless look. This is very much Alicia Silverstone when she was in that film Clueless. Is it Alicia Silverstone? I think it's Alicia Silverstone. Keep me writing that if that wasn't right. This is very much my clueless look. Just because I'm wearing a little shirt underneath to make it look preppy, the little cardigan. I got this a while back from Rehoaz. I will put the details in the description below, or if there's anything that you've seen in this video today and you like the look of it, do reach out to me. Do ask me where I got it from. So often my things are from Vinted. This is like a mishmash of different things today. These are from Next. They are current and I love them. And I've actually been able to score another pair of knee boots, which I'm crazy about at the minute, from New Look in their sale. They were reduced to £24 and they are olive green. So I can't wait till they actually come in stock. I'm waiting on them being delivered, should I say, to the shop. So my look is finished off today with this little bag. This is actually my day 2 look. Yesterday's look is coming right up. It was whenever Richard and I were out and about yesterday in Portrush, and that is look number 1. That's when I decided I was going to do this little can I speak? That's when I decided I was going to do this little style series. My head is just full of other ideas. I hope you'll keep watching and see how creative I can get with just this little skirt. It might be checked or tartan. Might be different colours, but I'm telling you, there are lots of ways you can style this, and I have worn this skirt probably about 10 times since I bought it a few months ago, and I'm going to see that I'm going to be able to wear it lots and lots and lots over the next few months, and that's what it's about. It's about making the most of our clothes. Take this bag off. When we buy things, we should be thinking of at least 3 other ways we can wear an outfit. So if you're seeing something in the sales, and that's how you know you are making a good choice. If you see an item in the sales right now, there are quite a lot of good deals about. And when you see an item, it's only good value if you are going to wear it, if it goes with things you have already in your wardrobe, if you can style it at least 3 ways. I like to think about styling things 5 ways to make them really work well. This skirt was around £50. It's not a huge amount of money, but I don't just buy things willy-nilly, and I want, when I buy things, that I'm going to keep wearing and wearing and wearing them, and I have to find other ways to wear them and feel creative, or I'll get bored. So that's it is, and I think that's what happens to most of us. We get bored with things we have in our wardrobe, or we think, oh, there's only one way I can wear that. I can only wear that and that and that together, and that's it. But there's always other ways, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to inspire you to try different things with things you have in your wardrobe. Right now, I need to get off to work, but I hope you keep watching, because the next time you're going to see 5 looks. That's what I'm promising today. 5 looks with 1 skirt. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I know I always say it. I would love if you would subscribe. It's free. Just tap the button below and also the little bell that will give you the notifications when I upload my videos, and a little thumbs up to show that you like the video. You know what I love the most? I love it whenever you drop me a comment below, because that means so much to me, and I love that feeling of community, and there's so many of you who do that already, and I am so thankful for you. Right, I best zip it. I decided I would restyle this little Joe Brown's kilt today. I've decided to go with like this sort of like plummy colour and burgundy, and then this scarf is quite old, but I think it just looks really nice, and I'm wearing my green today, edgy green boots. I like this look. Green, pink, everything shot from my wardrobe, and some of it quite a few years old. My coat's a few years old from Alphabel, so yeah. Restyle of the kilt, day 3. Where's all that light coming from? Let me just say, it's lovely to have the light, but it just sort of is sending a funny, sun's coming through the windows, and it's lovely to see it, but it is causing a strange light this morning. Well, it's day 4 of styling this little mini skirt, and I am in brown today. This is my original look when I bought this skirt. I got the pink jumper in Matalan. It's the perfect pink with the skirt, and this is how I finish it off with brown boots, brown tights, this cozy chunky scarf that reminds me of Benetton scarves from years ago. Again, this was Matalan as well. I love the little scalloped edge on it, and it's so cozy, but it's light at the same time. It just adds that nice wintry feeling to it. Then my top layer, I'm going with a little bit of velvet today, just to match my boots, because my boots are a lovely gingery brown colour, and then this is my ginger velvet coat, and I just think it just screams opulence and style. This is my Nathalie. This pink is perfect with the skirt, and just sometimes you just want to bring out the pink. So pink and brown today. I hope you're liking my styling of this little skirt. It just shows you how versatile a skirt like this can be. I bet you didn't think that a little kilt like this could be versatile, did you? I just love to wear a skirt, and I did want to inspire you ladies this week to try and think outside the box. You might have a skirt, you might wear it a certain way, but it's fun whenever you try to switch things up. I hope you'll let me know at the end of the video which of the looks was your favourite, which of the 5 looks, and which you could see yourself wearing. This little skirt, by the way, when I checked it out the other day, this was originally 50, it's now down to £38 in the Joe Brown sale, which is very good. Now, it's not an advertisement, it's just if you like a little wool mixed skirt, this is perfect. And they do actually have a blazer and a waistcoat if you want to add to it. It's not really my style, I prefer the separates look, but the blazer on its own and the waistcoat on its own might be nice, but I would think it's too much for me to have it all together. I'm not a big fan of wearing all the same brand in an outfit. I think it's just too much, so that's why you'll always find me mixing and matching different brands, because I'm not even a brand snob. I don't care where they come from, as long as they feel lovely on and they look lovely, and I like my outfit. Right, hi guys, it's day 3 of styling this little pink kilt. I'm trying something a little bit edgy today, a little bit different. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but bear with me, and we're going to give it a whirl anyway. So I've popped on this little lighthouse style cozy jumper, or sweatshirt you might call it. I just love the freshness of this jumper, and I think stripes go with everything. I love a print clash, and I wanted to dress the skirt down today. I think we're going to go down to maybe some of the ports and have a walk along the seafront, and you need to be cozy, you need to be comfortable, and this I think is a perfect casual but chic look. So let me step back and show you and finish off the look, and tell me what you think of it, because it is a little bit different. So I popped on my little Lunar boots from last year. They are like a teal navy coloured patent, navy tights, just to bring out this sort of like blue that's in this top. There's blue in the skirt as well. And then I thought I would try it with this long line over jacket to see what it would look like, see if it helped the look any, and I think it will. I love the collar coming over the top. I'm not sure, I think I might tuck the jumper up just a little bit. Yeah, that helps. And let's bring out the cuffs of my jumper so you can see them. Just going to ruche that up. And going with this little cow print nephew bag just to bring together all the blues. So we've gone from having like a pink girly outfit, I think, to a more edgy, cool look. And I think with adding the navy top, it just works really, really well. Whether I'll go for some jewellery, I've kept it very simple today. I've just got a little necklace on, a little bracelet. I just think the accessories with this, whenever it's more casual look, doesn't look right. I might pop a brooch on here. I think I am pretty happy with this look for day number 3. Do let me know if you think this is something that you would have thought to put with a skirt, and let me know if you like it. Join me and keep watching as we go through the week and we find all the different ways to wear this little skirt. Well, I went down to see if I could find a brooch that would go with my outfit, and I went with my parrot, and then I saw this little scarf, and I think that this might just pull everything together. But let's pop this on first of all. Yes, I like Mr. Parrot. Okay, let's see. Not tied like that, no. Let's see. It's rectangular. Maybe just do it in half around here and just tuck it inside my jumper. So we're just getting a little bit of interest at the neckline. Yes, that's much better. The lighter colours aren't particularly kind to me, so if I have a little pop of something dark, and that's my husband, cleaning out the stove if you're wondering what that noise is. I did make a start on it and then I got distracted doing this. It happens, doesn't it, Richard? Yes, that makes all the difference. I'm loving that scarf. One more accessory. Has to be a hat. I love my fedoras. All right, let me give you the full look now. It always takes a hat, doesn't it? Everything looks better with accessories. Right, you can let me know if you thought I went too much, but I love being too much. But let me know what you think. It's day 5 of styling my little kilt, and today I decided I would do a dress up. We're going out, it's not necessarily a party, but definitely that little element of chic and elegance, just by adding this little crushed velvet shirt that I got last year. I think it was monsoon, I got it in the sale. I love the pink and the way it shimmers in the light, and how nice it looks with this little skirt. Love it. I changed into burgundy tights for this and my little cozy island shoes, which that little heel just gives it a dressed up feel. And then my outer layer is my gorgeous kimono that I got from Artemis Muse. Teal with this dusky pink is stunning, and just that extra layer just looks so very nice. Don't you agree? I love these colours together, and I just think the opulence of velvet and crushed velvet, and then the beautiful stiletto shoes just give that night out, grown up, gorgeous feel. Pink bag, I took the straps off it just to give it that grown up look. Now, isn't that lovely? Now, I wouldn't want to be walking all night in these shoes. They are all quilted and comfortable, but I'm just not very good with heels over 2 inches anymore, and these are about 3 inches. See, I almost fell there. But don't they look so flattering, and they make my legs look long and skinny and lovely. That's the thing, if you wear a pointy toe, it elongates the leg. So remember that when you're shopping for shoes or boots, a little pointy toe works a treat. Well, to wrap up this week, we have had 5 different days of outfits, 5 different ways you can wear this gorgeous little skirt. You can see how very versatile I have made it. I have took it from casual to chic to edgy And the thing is, I have a few more ideas up my sleeve even yet, but I thought I would finish at 5. I do appreciate those of you who have watched me today. I hope you've enjoyed my styling. I hope I have inspired you to try doing something similar with a skirt or an item you have in your wardrobe. See if you can come up with a few more ways to wear it. And I would love to hear from you if you do. So do pop me a comment below if I have inspired you to get down to your wardrobe and have a little root round there and see what you have and that you could style for different ways. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope to see you in the next video. My vlogs are every Saturday and sometimes there's a little extra in between. I will have this Uzi official 3 items styling coming soon. I will give you a little post about that to let you know when to expect it. But I say it's just going to take me a little while getting that together. I'm going to wish you a happy new year, and I hope you see the new year in style, whatever you're doing. I'm just going to be seeing it in my living room with hubby. We're going to be cozying up in front of the fire. Whatever way you see in the new year, you have a great one, and I wish you a very happy and healthy 2026. You take care, you guys, and remember, be your own kind of fabulous. God bless.